Hi friends, welcome to the Budget Kitchen. This is Barb and we are going to have Taco Skillet. We're going to start off with a little bit of olive oil. And then we're going to go in with some potatoes. This was, by the way, 3 large Yukon potatoes cut up in like bites. What we're going to want to do is just fry those up. I just want to get the oil all over them. Okay, and then we're going to let that cook. Okay, I think I want to add the taco seasoning to it right now. Well, it's half a pack. Half of the envelope, okay? Because we're going to use the rest later. Okay, that looks good to me. Let's just get that mixed up in there. This is a very easy recipe. Okay, let's let that cook away. Okay, friends, my plan was to cook this and, scooch it to the side and put my hamburger right there to fry it. But I really just want to get this done in a hurry. So I'm going to take my hamburger and just fry it on another burner, okay? Hoping these will be done at the same time. Okay, friends, the potatoes are done. And you know what? I am going to throw some butter in there because butter makes everything better. I am not kidding. Okay, I'm wiping my hands off. And do you remember earlier I was talking about the hamburger? Well, we need to get that into the pan. That is a pound of hamburger drained. Oops. Okay. Stir it around. Now remember that other half of the taco envelope? Yes, now we're going to use it. Now we are using that. Just need to get that stirred up in there really good. Mix this up really good. Let that butter melt in there, and the seasoning and everything is just going to come together. Things look different today because I am camping. I am definitely a die-hard camping girl. And it's Memorial Weekend and the campground is a little crazy. Okay, it's a lot crazy. Okay, so now, okay, butter is still not completely melted. Oh, that's my baby dog. Oh my God, this smells so good. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, I'm going to turn that heat off. Okay, there, got it off. So another thing I'm going to do is, since it's taco seasoning, I got some Fiesta blend. Let's get that on there. Okay, finally got my act together. This was really hard to look at that silly mess. Okay, let's get that all over the place. All right, put your lid on there, just enough time for that to melt. Okay, friends, it is as done as it's gonna get. I'm gonna have to cut the video short because we're going on a golf cart ride. Everybody wants to eat and I got 30 minutes. This is how my life always is. But anyway, you, my dear, melt your cheese all the way. I am just being rushed to get done, but I just want I just want to dig in. Oh yeah. I think that's looking pretty jax. Little guy. Okay. Now here we go. Potato, some cheese, and hamburger. This is Taco Skillet, friends. And it's steaming. This girl is hot. Mmm. Oh, gee, that is really good. I like this. Very flavorful. Okay, friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. Most of all, friends, keep cooking. And I love you all.